Recently, I've made several new cutting boards as presents, and on one of them I've seen not successful glue up. To repair the little gap, I had to cut the finished cutting boards into two pieces again. And I did the glue up number 2. This time I took it to the warm living room, because I think the main reason why I was not successful first time was that my workshop was very cold at that time. After a few hours, I scratched the remaining glue off. This cutting board was made from oak, beech, masaranduba, and the orange strip is from pagoda tree. I've applied the usual vegetable oil from the kitchen and the repair is done. I started with two identical cutting boards, but what you can see here that one of them is roughly 2 mm narrower. That's all. Thanks for watching.